My name is Chris Clark. I'm the Managing Director of Middleby UK. For many years, we've been using bottled water. The showroom in Wigan hosts hundreds of customers every month. As a business, we're always striving to be more sustainable. Our fridges were full of bottled water, and obviously when we've got 2,000 bottles of water to recycle, it's a challenge, it is a cost for the business. So FRIIA was installed in our innovation kitchen in 2023. My first impression of FRIIA was it looks great, it looks slick, it's modern, it's stylish, it's everything that we're about. We sell premium products, Middleby is a premium brand, and FRIIA complements that range, not only as a product in itself, but the way it operates, the way we can use it every day. We've got cold, fresh water, 24/7, which is great. We've also got the added sparkling. 2,000 bottles to none is pretty impressive. It's great to see people filling up their reusable bottles. And we love it so much so we've put one in our bistro, and we're going to put one in our staff canteen upstairs as well. So we love FRIIA.